This recipe is one of my absolute favorites. I whip it up on a very regular basis at home, and it's a really good way to sneak in any herbs that you may not love the flavor of. 2 large avocados, pits removed. 1 vanilla bean, split lengthwise and scraped clean. 1/8 to 1/3 of a cup maple syrup or date syrup. About 1/4 of a cup fresh orange juice. 3/4 of a cup unsweetened cacao powder. 1 tablespoon of that Moringa powder. About 2 tablespoons of coconut manna. This is also known as coconut butter. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Once everything is in your blender, blend on low to medium until it is perfectly creamy. This serves about 8 people, so you can divide it up into small portions, or you can just put it into a big bowl like I'm doing here and serve from there. And you can top this with cacao nibs, chopped hazelnuts, berries, or my favorite, raspberry jam. So decadent.